I knew I had some deficiencies there in terms of my production and mixing and mastering, and that's what drew me to Sync Academy. I just wanted to up my game, and after following you for nearly a year, I finally took the plunge and joined. I wish I'd done it sooner.
You've been talking about you're getting some placements here regularly, actually, within the last, I don't know, last couple of weeks or months. You've been getting some placements. Can you talk about some of those?
Yeah, one in particular was a film trailer for the film ZombieLand 2. Woody Harrelson. I mean, that was huge. That's one of the biggest sync fees I've ever gotten, as a matter of fact. You know, it wasn't an overly complex track, but just the mixing and mastering things that I learned I think what took it over the top.
Why don't you walk through some of the things you learned in Sync Academy, some of the core, maybe philosophical changes that you might have made to some of your music that really made a difference for you?
Absolutely. Well, like I said, I joined up for the mixing and mastering aspects, but right out of the gate, you offer information about just pick one emotion, for instance, for your cue. Don't try to do more than one thing in a given cue. And a lot of my writing, I always felt like I had to take a turn and do something different. It's like, nope, don't do that. Just stick with one idea and do it really well. And then things like, it's got to have a great title. Even, I mean, as simple as that sounds, that can be inspiring for your writing. And then the use of reference tracks, you know, I sort of did that, but never really paid close attention to it. The way you analyze a reference tag was very helpful for me to just go, okay, I got to look at every single element of this thing and figure out how that relates to what I'm trying to do. And then your ideas about structure, you know, putting breaks in there for the editor. Make sure every 4 to 8 bars has got something new, but at the same time, don't overdo it with just layering on new sounds. Every sound's got to have a purpose, and it's got to be new and exciting. So just those ideas, you know, I always felt like I could write pretty well, but the production ideas just really helped me hone the craft.